Hi everyone, and welcome back to Remember What the Doctor Said. Wishing you all a happy new year. A lump or swelling is one of the commonest clinical presentations in breast diseases. Very often, patients ask me if there's any particular method or way whereby they can examine by themselves and see if they have a lump in the breast. Breast self-examination is a simple method which you can do at home by yourself to see if you have a breast lump or not. It involves 4 steps. Stand in front of a mirror at a place where there is adequate lighting so that you can see both the breasts clearly. Step 1. Observe to see if there are any changes in the skin over the breast, like a dimpling, a rash, or any other abnormality that you notice. Look for any discharge coming from the nipple. Examine and see if you notice any retraction of the nipple or any change in size or shape of the nipple or areola. Always compare with the opposite breast. Keep both your hands on the hips. Press them on the hips and look again for the same findings. Always compare with the opposite side. That is step 2. Step 3. Raise your arms above your head. Look again to see any abnormalities as in step 1 or step 2. Step 4 is palpation or feeling to see if there's a lump. You have to feel with the pads of your fingers and not the fingertips. Starting at the nipple, pass your hand around the breast in circles, starting from the nipple and going all around the breast. Always examine the armpit also. Use the right hand for examining the left breast and armpit, and the left hand for examining the right breast and armpit. While raising your hands up and examining, as in step 3, always look if you see any lump or swelling in the armpit also. Step 4 or palpation of the lump can also be carried out in the lying down position. Place a small pillow under the shoulder of the side which you are examining. It would be easy to palpate even for small swellings while you are in the shower, because the soap that is present while you're having a shower reduces the friction between your fingers and the breast skin, so you can even make out a very small lump. Premenopausal women are advised to examine the breast, that is breast self-examination, 10 days after their periods, whereas in postmenopausal women, they can examine their breast at any point in time. The doctor will examine you clinically for the lump or any of the abnormalities that you have noticed during your examination. He may ask you for an ultrasound of the breast or mammogram or both, depending on his clinical findings. He may also ask for an FNAC or a fine needle aspiration cytology, which is a test to see the type of cells that is present in the lump. During your breast self-examination, if you detect a lump, what should you do? Number 1, don't panic, because most of the lumps in the breast are benign. Number 2, the lumps that you have felt may not really be significant or may not even be a lump at all. Simpler conditions like cyst of the skin, like sebaceous cyst, etc., can also be felt as a lump. So when you're in doubt, always consult your doctor to confirm. Breast lump is one of the conditions that can be detected early by breast self-examination. So make it part of your regular schedule to undergo a breast self-examination at least once in 2 months, especially in women over 40 years of age. Always remember what the doctor said. Thank you.